So very sexy, simple, basic ingredients and delicious. Most importantly, because if it's not delicious, I don't cook. Hi guys, this is Eduardo from EATogether again. Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious cachapas. What are cachapas? Cachapas is a Venezuelan dish. It's like a savory pancake made with fresh corn kernels. Also, traditionally you add eggs and milk. Cachapas are also known in Colombia as tortilla de choclo or in Costa Rica as chorreadas. Today we're gonna make the vegan version. Of course, you're gonna use some flour, some corn flour, the fresh corn kernels, and we're gonna make a delicious creamy cashew spread. You are gonna love it. And the ingredients are fresh corn kernels. I mix the salt, sea salt, with the cornmeal, corn flour, almond milk, and dried mint. If you have fresh mint, you can substitute it also for fresh mint, or vice versa. Okay, first step, we're gonna add all our ingredients to the blender, and we're gonna blend it for 10 seconds, then push the mix down, and then blend it again for another 5 to 10 seconds. It depends also in the blender that you are using. So what we want, the consistency is not like a puree consistency. We want more like a butter. Almond milk, corn flour, cornmeal and salt, and the mint. So this is the consistency that you want, you see? And it's still chunky. So for the cashew spread, we have cashews that were soaked overnight. We have black ground peppercorns, and here is a mix of olive oil, water, apple cider vinegar, and sea salt. We're gonna blend all of these ingredients in the blender with a lot of patience. Cashews. The mix with the water, the salt, the vinegar, and the olive oil. And the black pepper, ground black pepper. So this is gonna take a few minutes because it needs to get really So because this mix doesn't contain a lot of water and liquid, because we want a thicker consistency, you're gonna need to work it longer and push the mix down more times. That's it, you know, it's just gonna take longer, but it's gonna have beautiful results. Just push the mix down, do it again. And this is the consistency. If you want it a little bit looser, add water and oil, but just little by little. Okay, so now we're gonna make the cachapas. So preheat the pan. I have a cast iron pan here, and I love cast iron because it helps to spread the heat evenly. So we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil in the pan. You distribute the oil all around the pan. Perfect. Now we're going to add the mix right in the middle. And then with the spoon, spread the mix. Not too thin and not too thick. So if you see that it's missing some over here, so okay, that's perfect. And now we're just gonna wait to cook 4 to 6 minutes. In the meantime, we're gonna cook the topping. So we're gonna cook in olive oil. This is a small pan. I'm gonna add some olive oil, garlic, and fresh corn kernels to put on top of my cachapa. Just to add that sweetness. We're gonna add it to the pan. Okay, to check the cachapa, just introduce your spatula from the side, just to see how cooked it is. Just this one looks pretty good. So just first go all around, and then when you can see that it moves, now flip it. So grab your spatula from the bottom, and then you're gonna raise the cachapa and then move the pan down, so like this. See? And now that we have the cachapa. If you want more color, you can go ahead and get more color or less color. It's up to you. I really like a little bit dark because it's a lot of flavor in there. But if you prefer not to, do it. And now, this is our garlic. It's getting there beautifully, slowly, caramelized. Now we're going to add the corn. This is actually super simple, as you can see, you know. It's not something out of the world or something that only you can make. You can make it, and you should, because it's delicious. I'm gonna put the heat a little bit more up and then cook it for like 5 minutes. Okay, now this is ready. Look at the color. Oh, can you hear? Okay, it's done. Now, just season it with a little bit of lime. Oh boy, my goodness. Okay, and perfect. Okay, now it's time to plate. So, cachapa right in the middle. Now we're gonna add some of the spread. Look at this beauty. Okay. Say with this is more than enough. Ooh, papa. A little bit more. Some of the corn. And fresh cilantro leaves. Very sexy, right? Voila! There it is, guys, vegan cachapas. You see how simple it was? You can do it, I can do it, everyone can do it. So let's do it, right? So very sexy, simple, basic ingredients and delicious. Most importantly, because if it's not delicious, I don't cook. So if you like it, you let me know and I'll change the recipe until you like it, okay? Thank you so much for watching us. Stay well, stay safe, many blessings.